Find a function f whose graph is a parabola with the given vertex and that passes through the given point. We are told that the vertex is at negative 1, 6, and it passes through the point -2, -5. If we use the form f of x equals a times x minus h squared plus k, then we can begin to fill in some of the details for this function. For instance, we know that the vertex occurs at hk. Since the vertex is negative 1, 6, we know then that h must be negative 1 and k must be 6. So we will fill these values into our function. So we have f of x equals a times x minus negative 1 squared plus 6. But when we subtract negative 1, we wind up with x plus 1 squared plus 6. Now we know that it passes through the point -2, -5. This is in a xy format as an ordered pair. So we will plug -5 in for y, or in other words f of x, and -2 in for x. Then fill in the rest of the function and solve for a. So we have -5 equals a times negative 1 squared plus 6. Negative 1 squared is positive 1, so we have -5 equals a plus 6. Now when we subtract 6 from both sides, we wind up with a equals negative 11. So our function then will be f of x equals negative 11 times x plus 1 squared plus 6.